Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in the video, I am going to tell you how to speak English confidently. Alright, so let's get into the video without any further delay. Dear learners, if you really want to speak English confidently, then these tips will be helping you a lot to become confident in English. Alright, so first of all, you need to understand what is your problem. What is your problem? Because unless you will understand your problem, you can't speak English confidently. All right. For example, you are having fear. You are having fear. But if you are keep taking medicine, but you don't know the reason behind that fear, then believe me, that fear will not go from your body no matter how many medicine and how much medicine do you take. All right, so that's why knowing the reason behind any problem is very very important, more than important than your treatment. Okay, all right. So is for speaking English confidently, you need to understand these three things. First thing is that, do you have all the thing, do you have all the thing, still you feel less confident while speaking in English? I mean to say, you know vocab, you know grammatical things, everything you know related to spoken English, but still you feel underconfident, but still you are not able to speak English confidently. And the second reason, it could be you don't have the good stuff. You don't have the good stuffs to speak in English. Means, are you a beginner? All right, you don't know more vocab, might be it can be a reason. You don't know what collection, you don't know making structures in English. That's why. Are you making any mistakes while doing English conversation? Okay. And the third reason, it can be you're already a confident problem. Confident problem means you are able to speak in which is called in virtual. You can do the virtual conversation. All right, you can do conversation in English over phone call. But when it comes to speaking in English face to face in front of anybody, that moment you feel underconfident. That moment do you feel less confident. So today in the video, I will share you all these things, and which will unlock your confident problem. Means, this will make you confident speaker of English language. But the thing is what, you need to follow me, you need to follow my advice. All right, because see guys, whatever I am going to tell you today, it is all about my experience. There was a time when I have been suffering from confident problem. I was really very, I have been very underconfident. I was not able to speak good English. Still, I am not able to speak very good English, but I am trying my level best to improve my English. Okay, so even if you feel any problem, any of these three problem, so what you need to do, you don't need to worry at all. You don't need to worry. All right, first you need to think anyhow I need to follow my advice, and after that, just practice your English. Practice your English. The more, the more you practice, the more you practice, you get better in English. Whatever the steps you have now, okay, just practice that. And now I will tell you, like, how you can make yourself and how you can feel more confident, how you can feel confident enough to speak in English. All right, and that is, just pick up your phone. Just pick up your phone. If you are unable to speak with anyone front to front, face to face, or you are unable to speak in front of anyone, no problem, no need to think about it. Just pick up your phone. I think you are having a good phone in which you are watching me. All right, just pick up that phone and turn on your mobile recorder app. Okay, or also you can do this thing in front, you can say by mirror talk. Also you can use mirror talk. But even if you have more problem in standing in front of the mirror, no problem, just turn on your phone and turn on the mobile recorder and sit in any corner of your home or house and start speaking in English. Now you might be thinking in your mind, oh yes, I can do this thing, but actually what to speak while recording? Okay, you might be thinking this thing. Let me tell you. no matter what you need to speak, no matter you know or not. Just go sit in front of the camera and speak anything what you see. Speak anything what you see means there are many more things in front of you. You can just pick up anything. Now I can see a few copies in front of me, notebooks. All right. So I can start speaking about that notebooks. Yes, in the beginning time, I can have problem to speak in English, no matter. Start speaking in Hindi first. Start speaking in Hindi first, all right? And then start speaking in English of the same thing. For example, this is the notebook. So start if you don't have the statement in English, no problem. Just speak in Hindi and then you speak in English. Even if you are able to speak 5 sentence, 7 sentence, no need to worry. That's good. That's very good in the beginning time. All right. For example, this is a notebook. I use this notebook to write my all stops, to write my answer. And I love this notebook because I have written so many notes on this. Okay, like this you can make anything, or you can say I have brought this book from the shop. I have paid this much of money for this book in Hindi, and then you speak in English. All right, so that you will feel little confident. All right, speaking in English. And moreover, I would like to tell you, don't feel shy. Don't feel shy to speak in English. What, like many of us, what they do, like they say, oh, I have problem to stand in front of the camera. I have problem to speak in front of people. Yes, it can be the initial time, but you don't need to shy at least. Even you speak wrong English, just let it go. Even you speak bad English, just let it go. Broken English, let it go. But try. But try because why? You are a beginner. Even I am beginner. After some time of practice, we will become good at it. No need to think. And the third thing which I would like to tell you, don't care about others. Don't care about others. Firstly, I already told you the confident building formula, which is you can use the mirror talk and you can on your mobile recorder. And the third thing now, which is I'm going to tell you, which is called don't compare yourself with other. Don't compare yourself with other. Why I am emphasizing more on this statement? Because see, the moment you compare yourself with others, you think, oh, they speak very good English, they speak flawless English, they are more confident than me, then how I will become for them? How I will become like them? You can take them as your inspiration, but never ever think to follow their paths. I mean to say, don't be jealous. Let it be. They have practiced. That's why they have reached there. You never ever compare. Just try to do your 100% effort. Because the moment you start comparing yourself with other, you start living sad life. You start being sad. You start being unhappy. All right. So never ever compare yourself or your English with anybody else. Just follow your own rule, follow your own strategy, and do what you think is good for you. All right. I think you are understanding me. Okay. And don't be shy. Don't be shy. Again, I'm telling you. Just do these things for the upcoming few days. For the upcoming few days. Then you can feel now after upcoming few days you will become little confident. And again, if you do the same process for upcoming again some days, you can feel your confidence level. I don't need to tell you like what confidence level you will have after some period of time, after some period of practice. Okay, so that's why just do practice, do your hard work, do your best, and leave the rest on God. All right, I think you have understood each thing. This confidence building can be done by your practice only. By your practice only. Let's suppose you are thinking I can become confident person in English language, but unfortunately you are not able to speak in English. So do you think that you can be called a confident person? Not at all. First, improve your practice, do hard work practice, become good at English, and then you can improve your confident. All right. So these are the things which you should know while learning this language, which can really help you a lot to speak very effective English. And nowadays, I have been following these rules only. All right. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed watching my video. And from today, You are going to start doing all these things to become really a effective speaker of English language. So if you really enjoyed, then please ask me any question what you ask down below in the comment section. And so let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye. See you soon. And once again, thanks for watching my video. All right, bye.